Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Excel table not autofilling. So let's have a look now. Begin by opening your Excel workbook containing the table that's not autofilling. Now check the autofill options. Go to File, then go for Options. Now from here, select Advanced. Make sure the Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop options is selected. Click OK to save. And there you have it. Click and drag the autofill handle to fill cells with data. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.